Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Rocket Lawyer account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Rocket Lawyer account, start by visiting the Rocket Lawyer website. Locate the option to sign in or create an account. Click on the sign up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again. Once you've filled in your information, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Rocket Lawyer. Open the email and look for the verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. This will redirect you back to the Rocket Lawyer website. Now, log in using your email and the password you just created. After logging in, you may need to complete your profile. Fill in any additional personal information requested. Be sure to review and agree to the terms of service. Once your profile is complete, you are ready to explore the features. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section on the website. Congratulations, your Rocket Lawyer account is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.